I'm just trial fitting the diagonal fender brace for the trailer that we're building here at the moment. Just checking to see if everything's fitting down okay. We've sort of cut some grooves. Yeah, I've got to grind out to prepare for welding, and oops. Oh yeah, that's okay, cool. Fenders all welded up. All we're going to do now is put the diamond deck, cut that up, put that on, weld it in place. So I've just finished doing the diagonal brace, so that'll give plenty of support to put with plenty of weight on it. And yeah, it helps stiffen the whole trailer at the same time. We've got the, what do we call this, the Landcruiser FJ40 nose cut on the engine stand at the moment, just so we can turn it. We can pull it off and do it upside down. We've got flanges to go around the edge, across the back, and all around it, so noise in the background's a fan. So no, it's cool. Thank you, Armando.